guys, this is day one, turning my grandpa's lawnmower into a mini tractor. Took off the mower bag, but this thing is still on here.
Ooh, what do you think?
Yeah, let's go buy some new stinks also. Oh, this one's even worse. Guys, look at these old rotten spark plugs. They're just nasty. Now we're gonna go to the store and buy some new ones. Then we're gonna throw those on. And then I'm gonna see if it runs. Now come and watch, guys. Okay, let's see if it works. It might not. We might have to charge the battery.
Nope, nothing.